Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, let's talk about money. It's a topic that affects us all, no matter who we are or where we come from. It's that thing we never seem to have enough of, right? Whether it's paying bills, saving for a rainy day, or just trying to make ends meet, money is always on our minds. We work hard for it, we spend it, we stress about it. It's a constant cycle that can feel overwhelming at times. But how much do we actually know about it? How often do we take the time to really understand our finances and make informed decisions about it? It's not just about earning and spending, it's about managing and growing it wisely. That's where financial literacy comes in, folks. It's the key to unlocking a better financial future. It's like learning the language of money so you can finally understand what it's trying to tell you. Imagine being able to decode those complex financial statements and make sense of your budget. And trust me, it's not speaking Klingon. It's much simpler than you think once you get the hang of it. It's way easier than that. With the right tools and knowledge, anyone can become financially literate. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute, would you? Just like you need a parachute for safety, you need financial literacy for financial security. Well, some people might, but they're probably not reading this. Most of us want to make smart choices with our money. Financial literacy is your financial parachute. It provides the safety and security you need to navigate your financial journey. It helps you navigate the ups and downs of life without crashing and burning. With the right knowledge, you can handle any financial challenge that comes your way. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a crash course in financial literacy. Get ready to empower yourself with the knowledge you need to take control of your financial future. And don't worry, there won't be a pop quiz at the end. Just a wealth of information to help you on your journey.
Financial literacy. Sounds fancy, right? Like something you need a degree in economics to understand. But fear not, my friends, it's not as complicated as it sounds.
In a nutshell, financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage your money effectively. It's about making informed decisions about your finances, from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the future. Think of it like baking a cake. Because who doesn't love cake? You need the right ingredients, the right tools, and a good recipe to follow. Financial literacy gives you the ingredients, knowledge, the tools, skills, and the recipe, strategies, to bake yourself a delicious financial future.
Now let's talk about the dark side of the financial world, scams. These financial predators are lurking everywhere, just waiting to pounce on unsuspecting victims. But here's the good news. Financial literacy is your secret weapon against these scammers. When you understand how money works, you're less likely to fall for their tricks. It's like having a superpower. You can spot a phony investment scheme from a mile away. You can sniff out a predatory loan like a bloodhound. And you can tell a phishing email to go jump in a lake.
Section 4. Budgeting, your financial GPS. Let's face it, budgeting isn't exactly the most exciting topic. It's kind of like flossing. We know we should do it, but it's not exactly the highlight of our day. But here's the thing. Budgeting doesn't have to be a drag. In fact, it can be quite empowering. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you towards your financial goals. By tracking your income and expenses, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. It's like being the captain of your own financial ship, steering it towards the land of financial freedom.
Section 5. Debt management. Don't let it be a party pooper. Debt. It's the uninvited guest that just won't leave. It lingers around, casting a shadow over your financial well-being. But unlike that annoying neighbor who keeps borrowing your tools, debt can have serious consequences. It can affect your credit score, limit your financial opportunities, and even cause stress and anxiety. The good news is that debt management is a skill that can be learned. With the right strategies and a bit of discipline, you can take control of your financial situation. It's about understanding the different types of debt, creating a plan to pay it off, and most importantly, avoiding unnecessary debt in the future. This means being mindful of your spending habits and making informed financial decisions. Think of it this way. Would you keep adding more and more weight to your back? Of course not. Carrying too much debt is like carrying a heavy backpack that slows you down. So why do that with your finances? It's essential to regularly review your financial situation and make adjustments as needed. Managing debt is about lightening your load so you can move freely towards your financial goals. By taking proactive steps, you can reduce your debt and achieve financial freedom, allowing you to enjoy life without the constant worry of financial burdens.
Section 6. Conclusion, level up your life with financial literacy. It's a journey that starts with a single step. So there you have it, folks. The power to transform your financial future is in your hands. Financial literacy. It's not just for bankers and accountants anymore. It's for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone planning for retirement, understanding your finances is crucial. It's about taking control of your finances, achieving your goals, and living your best life. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on the right track. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first, it might seem a little scary and overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at where it can take you. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of financial literacy and start making informed decisions today. Start learning about financial literacy today. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to seminars and workshops. Your future self will thank you for it. Imagine looking back and realizing how far you've come. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more hilarious and informative content. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you on your financial journey.